to do a Younique unboxing. This is the presenter kit, so I'm going to unbox it for you guys. I'm so excited. So excited! So as you can see, it comes with this bag. And everything is in this bag, and we have pieces of purple tissue paper. And if you turn it on its side, it has a bunch of compartments. I've seen videos on this kit before. So the first things we have here are the little cards, like welcome to the family, share the love. Little booklets. Yeah. We have a little sample card of all our perfumes. So we'll be trying that out. We have a sample card of all our different liquid foundations. As you can see, we have a wide range of our liquid foundations. This is our Mineral Touch foundation. So, as you can see, we have a wide range, so we're able to find something for you no matter what your skin tone is.
Don't worry about that.
We have a oil control mask, a nice sample size too. We have the exfoliation mask. This is one of Tracy's favorites. And our detox mask, which is also one of Tracy's favorite. If you don't know who Tracy is kind of my mentor. And then we have the product catalog. It shows all different products and all the different products we have. I'm showing inside the bag, and as you can see, it's a very large bag. It's a very substantial size, and you have a ton of compartments. And ooh, you get a lip gloss in the shade. I am excited to try it out. Here's what it looks like. I love it, and yeah. I'm excited to try their lip gloss formula. You get, as you move up in the company, you get these little charms. I'm currently a white presenter. Everybody starts out as a white. You can go all the way to being a black presenter. This is our liquid illuminator. I am excited to try this out. I've seen the shine on this and it looks amazing. I'm so excited. Our Beachfront Kissed bronzer, and this is in the shade Belize. I'm excited to try this out. And this kit is a really good value. It's like $100, but it's over a $300 value, so it's a really good value. We have the Moodstruck Slash liquid lipstick in the shade Sublime. I love these. They're one of my favorite liquid lipsticks formulas. They are more of a glossy liquid lipstick, so if you're into that, they're not like a matte, I find. If you're into more of a glossy liquid lipstick, you would like these, and here's the color. You have a little customizable palette. We have these, and it also comes with pressed eyeshadows in shades such as Strewed. This is the eyeshadow in Strewed. It looks really pretty. The eyeshadow in Gentle, which I'm really excited about that because It's one of Tracy's favorites.
That was Shrewd.
This is Shrewd. Then you have Prevalent, which is a really nice like cranberry color. And you have Decadent. Which I'm excited about that. I love our pressed eyeshadow formula, and you get the little palette too. This is the Moonstruck Epic Lash.
Esteem Lash Serum.
Moonstruck Extreme Lash Serum.
Esteem.
Esteem Lash Serums. I am excited to try this out, and it's amazing that you get it into this kit, in this kit, because lash serum is expensive, and I'm excited to try one out. We have the Moonstruck Epic pencil eyeliner, the Moonstruck Precision Pencil, and just a regular black shade. I love their Moonstruck pencils. I love this formula, so I'm excited to have it in black. Then you have blending brush. You have a blending brush, which our brushes are really good. I've tried one other, and I love it. I use it every day. And then you have the Moonstruck Epic Mascara. I love this. I am excited to try it because I know Tracy raves about it like every time she does her makeup on live. Then we also have the lip bonbons, which this comes in pretty packaging. This and this is representative of the color, like, as well. This is the lip bonbons and chocolate truffle. I've talked about the lip bonbon formula before. I love these because oh, pretty shade. Pretty shade. I have the one in Red Velvet Cake. I've talked about these before and being a good lip balm because the way they screw on and screw off, I'll put the cap on for you right now. You actually screw it, you twist it to put it on, and you screw it off to take it off. So no risk of damaging the product and no risk of the cap falling off in your purse. So I'm very excited about that. In the color, like if you have more than one of these, like I have one other color, and it's the color of the tube is representative of the color you get in the tube. So the color of the outer packaging is actually the color you're going to expect to see when you get it out of the tube. We have the Younique Royalty Pore Refining Cleanser. I am in love with their gentle moisturizing cleanser, I believe. Mm-hmm. And I'm excited that I have this in my collection now because I get to try out another cleanser because I love their other one. Our cleansers and our skincare are really, really good. So I highly recommend a good skincare and a good primer too. Because if you don't have good skincare and if you don't have a good primer, your makeup is not going to last. The last thing we have here would be the 3D fiber lashes. I'm excited to try this. I am so excited to try this. This is a mascara. This is our other mascara in our line. It has 3D fibers in it. I'm excited to try this out. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I'm excited to post more videos about Younique. I'll have my Facebook page down below. I'll have our website. We have a party going on right now, so We have our launch party going on right now. So if you want to order through there, you are more than welcome to. I'll leave our Facebook page down below. And have a good day, guys. I love you. Bye.